Cut box. I think I'll be putting this on the watch list. Oh, is this Klaus Kinski? This guy's a psychopath. Looks like a psychopath. This is Android. What we're being filmed on right now. Yes, I am an Android guy. Meaning, yeah, I definitely ain't getting no chone with an Android. Is that wild to think that, you know, like I'm being judged because I don't have a I don't have an iPhone. I can have an iPhone. I can have an iPhone. What's so hard about having an iPhone? I can go to get an iPhone right now. I mean, you will pass up on a good thing. Because I don't have an iPhone. If you can't tell, man, the Black Bastard coffee is kicking my ass. It's the only drug I got. It's all I got. And I want to eliminate this. I'm going to go on vacation. I don't know when, but soon. And I'm going to detox from coffee. That's a goal of mine, to detox from this black piss. Oh, you're useless. What's the pathway to San Francisco? The freeway, bitch. How do I find it? You can start with walking out the door. Oh, man. This right here is my swag. This was, it's on a previous podcast that no longer exists, but this right here was a hell of a trip when I threw this on. It like did some weird shit at the beginning, and then it eventually came on. Now, I believe, I don't know for sure that this is a real copy. Why it has this label on it, I don't know. Like, what happened to the original tape? Oh, hold on. Barefoot without embarrassment. Barefoot without embarrassment. Okay, so something happened to the original. God knows what, but someone salvaged this tape. I'd like to thank that person. If you're watching right now, thank you for not throwing this copy of Poltergeist away. And I have a feeling that this is from a rental store. Yeah, it is. It's got to be, right? So, yeah. That's why this was taken care of. I'm telling you, cut box life gets love, man. You know, cut box life. Let's see if it acts stupid for you guys right now. I have Poltergeist on Laserdisc 2 times. You would think this is what do you call it? You know, it would be a good double feature, and I might do it. Poltergeist into E.T. Which one do you go first? Which one first? I would say you go E.T. first. And this is what happens like the next week after E.T. Same neighborhood and everything. Yeah, this is like the quintessential, even though I own it on Laserdisc twice, this Poltergeist is the Poltergeist I like to watch. It just gives me the feels, man. Just gives me the feels big time, man. What the hell's going on? Hey, dude. Oh God, people yelling at me. Shut up. Oh, damn. Damn. I mean, did he know that? I mean, imagine that, dude. That's just how life is, man. You can wake up and die. Just like that. I love this shot. Overhead shot. How they do it? I don't know. How they do it? Where are they at? How is it a stationary shot like that? They're not in a helicopter. How they do this? Where are they filming from right now? I don't even want to know how they did it. Don't you just want her hair to go down? Like, come on, drop that shit. I mean, it's better that her hair is up, right? Yeah, this is easily one of the greatest sequences in the film ever. No! There's nowhere to run to, baby. There's nowhere to hide. That's just overkill right there. The horse and carriage thing, he's doing too much. When I say he, I mean Alfred Hitchcock. How many blowjobs do you think were administered by this point in the movie? I mean, because if I was at a a drive-in with a young lady, yeah, man, somebody was impregnated tonight. Because there's no way most guys could have sat there. Even not most guys, most human beings would have gone to a drive-in at 16 years old and sat there watching this boring ass movie. Even you guys out there watching, somebody probably got impregnated while we're watching this.
Why
shit.
are they doing this? Why are they doing this?
Oh no, not this broad.
The whole thing started.
Your daughter doesn't happen to work at the
What are you?
what do you call it? The
Where did you
Winn
come
Dixie
from? I think you're the cause of all this.
from Maximum
I
Overdrive.
think you're evil. Evil!
We made you exactly. Slack your ass in 3D.
We can get
Blamed it on her ever since you got here. Bro, you got too many demonic things going on at once. You got the birds, the crow, and poltergeist, dude. You're freaking me out, man. You're freaking me out.